Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Nish, or Trevor, and today I'm going to show you how to install Optifine, and then along with that, SEUS 10.1, which is a shader pack, Sonic Ether's unbelievable shaders for Minecraft. So I'm going to try to make this pretty quick and concise. I have all of the links for the downloads you need in the description. So you need Optifine, the GLSL shaders, which make the shader pack work, and then Sonic's unbelievable, Sonic Ether's unbelievable shaders. 10.1, I use the Ultra Motion Blur version. You can use whichever one you like by going to the post or just Googling SEUS shader pack. So, let's begin. Step 1. We need to launch Minecraft. I am doing this completely from scratch, so I do not have a .minecraft folder right now. So I'm going to launch Minecraft. And the key thing we need to do here is, well, first log in. And then we're going to make a profile with the version 1.7.5 and launch that. So I'm going to go to Edit Profile. Then I'm going to go to Use Version. We're going to select 1.7.5. Save profile, and play. And this is going to download that version for us. Right now it's actually downloading the entire game because I don't have it yet. And it's very key you do this because you need to have a place for Optifine and the shaders to install. So if you've already launched Minecraft and specifically 1.7.5 in the past, then you should be fine. If you have not, or if you're starting from scratch, I highly suggest, in fact, you will need to do what I've just shown you. So after that has launched, you should be able to go ahead and quit your game. So next, if you haven't already, go ahead and download Optifine, GLSL, and the SEUS shader pack. Our next step is going to be to, so I have a folder here with all of these. Your icons might not be the same. You might have zip or RAR icons for all of them. I've ran these in the past, so my Windows kind of recognizes that, and their default program is correctly set. So the first thing we're going to install is Optifine. So it's actually pretty simple. We're just going to right-click on Optifine, go to Open With, and select Java Platform SE Binary. Okay. So basically, this is a jar file, and it will run. It's basically just a Java installer. We're going to click that, and here we go. Optifine HD Ultra D1 for Minecraft 1.7.5. This installer will install Optifine in the official Minecraft launcher, and will create a new profile Optifine for it. We'll press install. Optifine is successfully installed, so we press enter. And Optifine should now be installed if everything went well. So we can go ahead and test that by launching Minecraft, logging in again, and you can see we have an Optifine profile here. So let's press play just to test it out for you guys. Let's make a new single player world. Shader pack tutorial, and hopefully Optifine will be working here. Now, a good way to test it right off the bat is just pressing Control. By default, Control is a zoom command in Optifine, so we know Optifine is working. We can go to Options, and we see if we go to Video Settings, we have quite a bit more tweaking that we can do here. So Optifine is indeed installed. So we'll quit the game. And our next step is to install the GLSL shaders. This one is just as easy. So we're going to right click on this one right here, Shaders Mod version 2.3.1.5 or 1.5, sorry. Open with the same thing, Java Platform SE Binary. And it's asking us if we want to install it to .minecraft. Yes, we do. And you should see a add profile at the end here was complete. So that did indeed install correctly. Next, I could launch again to make sure that it's installed, but I'm pretty confident that's installed. So what we're going to do is you're going to hold down your Windows key and press R, or you can go right here and type in run, but faster to just hold down your Windows key, press R, that's the shortcut for run, and we're going to type in %app data % and press enter. That's going to open up our roaming folder, and from here we can go to .minecraft. So in .minecraft we need to make a new folder. So we're going to go down to New Folder, and we're going to call this Shader Packs. It has to be the exact spelling in the exact case. This is case sensitive, so make sure that it's all lowercase. So we've made that folder. Press enter to open it up. And we're going to drag the SEUS version 10.1 Ultra Motion Blur pack, or whatever SEUS pack you have, into that shader packs folder, okay? And that's that. That is literally all you have to do. So now we're going to launch the game. It's actually quite simple when you think about it. Log in again. And we see this right here. This is Optifine and Shaders mod, 1.7.5 Optifine dash Shaders mod. Okay, so we're going to press play on that. Launch it up. Let's go to that shader pack tutorial world that I just made. Now, the first thing you notice is nothing really looks different. That's pretty normal. So what we have to do is press escape, go to options, go to shaders, and we're going to select this right here. SEUS 10.1 Ultra Motion Blur. Press done, and our shaders are working. But there's actually a couple more things we have to do inside of the game. So yes, it looks very beautiful. Shaders! Oh my god, I love playing with shaders. It's such a huge difference. I actually just continue using the default texture pack because I love how it looks with the shaders. So we're gonna press escape. Go to options. We're gonna go back to shaders, and here on the right, we're going to make sure that enable tweak block damage. We're going to make sure it's enabled. So it should be on. And then we're going to disable cloud shadow. So that should be off. And we're going to make sure that old lighting down at the bottom is off. Okay. So once that is good, we can go to some of my preferences as far as performance and stuff goes. So I like to go to options and then video settings and details, and I like to disable the default clouds. So if you look right here, we have these new clouds in the background. You see those kind of softer clouds up there in the background. Those are from the shader pack, but then we see these default clouds all over the place. So if you want to disable those, you just go to options, video settings, details, and for clouds we go to off. Okay. Another preferential thing I like to do is I like to have, let's go back, I like to have, this is in the video settings, I like advanced OpenGL to be on fast. You should have a pretty nice video card. I think it's recommended to have, on the NVIDIA side of things, a GTX 460 or better. I don't know what the AMD equivalent is, but it's pretty up there. It's probably like a 5770 or something. I don't know. So you have to have a pretty solid video card if you want to run this, at least the full resolution. You can always run it at like a lower resolution like this, and it'll probably run fine. But if you want to play in like 1080p or 720p, you're certainly going to need a more beefier video card. So I also like to go to my video options, and for max frame rate, VSync, my monitor refresh rate is 60, so that's basically capping my frame rate at 60. I like to have that unlimited. I do not want my frame rate to be capped at all. And that just makes my mouse a little more snappy. It's kind of like having VSync off. And there you have it. That's it. That is how you install Optifine and the shaders, and we should be all good to go. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, do post them in the comments, but make sure that you do everything in that exact order and that you have that shader packs folder that you make with the exact capitalization and all that business. So this has been real. If you guys enjoyed, please feel free to leave a thumbs up. I hope this helped everyone out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.